Hey guys, this is Rick with Just Silver. What we're doing today is we got some diamonds in here, earrings, and a little bitty small earring. Just got them out of the tumbler, cleaning them, and notice I got a strainer. Yeah, it's my sink. I got a strainer. I'm putting a baggie over the top of that with the rubber holder. And then I got a strainer for what's inside up here, which has got suds in it. Wash that off a little bit. Put it in here. See what I can find real quick. I got stainless steel Scott in here, and kind of dirty. I got 2 earrings and a single earring and something else. Anyhow, oh yeah, 2 rings. Okay, there's the one ring. Get it in the light there. Yeah, kind of all right. It's an engagement ring. Put that in the strainer. There's the other one. That's the one with a diamond on it. It's got a real nice, not a heart-shaped diamond, but let's see if I can zoom this in a little. There we go. That kind of diamond. Got little stones on the side, and like that. Anyhow, put that in the ringer there. Got to dig through this. There's one there. There's one of them. Yep, here. Well, that's just a gold ring. That's some of the gold I got. Put that over there. Here's one. Okay. This is what it looks like now. I'm going to show y'all a picture and of what it used to look like. It even had green on it. I guess it was with some copper or something. Anyhow, it's a lot prettier than what it used to be. About a 1.5 carat earring. So I got 2 more. 2 more here. There's the other one. Right there. I get 2 at once? Nope. Just one. And that's the other one. It looks a lot prettier too. Really nice. Okay. Got there. Now I'm looking for one little small one. That's gonna be hard to find. It's a stainless steel Scott. You can get it anywhere, Amazon, Walmart, Gemco on Harlan Drive. We've got it $25 a pound, but if you want something clean, it will do it. It will do it. This is the other one. Yep. That's a pretty 1 carat there. That's platinum. So yeah, it's nice and pretty. Okay, I'm looking for a small one now. Just a single. Oh, I just had it. There it is. Let me get both hands in there. Is that it? Nope, that ain't it. I'll find it. More gold. I had that from another job. It's about the same size as one of these pieces of stainless steel. If you want to clean your jewelry, get you an inexpensive tumbler And instead of buying jewelry targets or something like that, that's acid. That'll ruin your jewelry. And what they want you to do to it too. And I'm trying to look in the light too, and the camera's blocking the light. See if I can see down under. Okay, I know what I'm gonna have to do. I'll have to take them out, pour a generous supply here into the strainer. Let's go fishing. Some more gold. I want that earring. It's about a 1/4 carat, something like that. Not very big. Might have to wait and find it another time. I thought this would be real easy to find. Wow. And all this is steel, so it's going to pick up with a magnet. Can't. Yeah. Okay, let me find something to put this in. Daddy. That's better than this. Okay. For another scoop here. I think I've seen it. See it? No, I don't think I did. It's hard to distinguish. Okay. Alright, try one more here. It's not in there. I'm just pouring it in this small container. These little square things are great. Get them at Michael's. They hold everything. They feel like 99 cents a piece. Come with a lid too. When you know it, it's on top. Wow. It's in there. I'll have to go through it with fine-tooth comb. It's just real small. It's smaller than one of those. That's what those look like. They look like little satellites. Little Martians or something. Yeah, it looks like a spinning top. $25 a pound. They're not cheap. I don't have to look for no time for that. But anyhow, we got these guys here. And I was just basically showing y'all what this tumbler is over here. This is what the tumbler does. It's just a small National Geographic tumbler. You can turn on for 2 weeks and just keep on going. It's really cool. Anyhow, let me wash this off a little bit here. Anyhow, it come out looking pretty cool. Those are really pretty. Really nice. Garage sale fine. Yep, real diamonds for less than $5. Boy, did I make some money on that. I paid $3 for this. That was at the bottom of a jewelry box. 1.12 carats. Perfect diamond. And this one on the ring, found it on the side of the road. I seen it glistering, and then bam, I looked at it again. Wow, that's a diamond, cool. And the cool part about it is, look at this. Check this out. That's how it goes together. engagement ring and the ring. And it was sitting side by side. Ain't that cool? Look at that. Goes right there. Excuse me. Yeah, that's pretty. Okay, I'll let y'all go. Y'all give me a like. Thank you. Appreciate it very much. Ring the bell. Bye-bye.